Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Yeah, what are you trying to do?
This is what people do.
You trying to rob Cam?
No,
What are you doing?
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
come on. Let's go! Regional and Intramural. We got an interesting set. We got bi-level, all single level, and then the bi-level cab car. Don't really see much of those. All right, here it goes. CDC-5 number 1861. Woo! All right, we're gonna see probably maybe another Amtrak, and there is gonna be another. It's gonna be an inbound commuter rail train in like 25 minutes. So yeah, as you can see, I actually moved. I left the station and I came here, and we're still gonna see that outbound. I think there might be another Amtrak. So yeah. All right, here is the inbound. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to click that like button and also subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.